The 5 stages of fixing your Hoover.
Oh no, what do I do? What do I do? Really? No, really? What do I do? That's helpline. Might as well just call that. Hello?
Go.
Hi, this is Max Helpline. How can I help you? I mean, is the muscle breakdown real? Being honest, being serious. My Hoover's broken! It's, right, so this sounds here, right? It's blue, right? And it's got 1500 watt S-class filtration with allergy guard. Allergy guard? Can you believe that? And it's broken.
Is it broken?
Oh, well, I mean, come on. Last week, why isn't it working?
Is it broken?
It's broken! I need it fixing!
Is it not working?
I need it fixing. What do I do? What do I do? Tell me the first stage of fixing my Hoover. First stage, come first.
Have you unplugged it? Okay, right. Take the food colouring out of the bottom of the Hoover.
Food colouring? What food colouring?
Is your carpet pink?
It's green.
Oh, it's food colouring, dear. It's food colouring.
Not green.
Darling, it's food colouring. Take it out of the bottom.
Take it out the carpet! You're stupid neighbours! Made my carpet and my next door neighbours floorboards gangrene!
Do you know who you're talking to?
Yes!
Lauren Parker, right?
Hey, don't feel my name. I'm Amy Parker. And I come from here. Not you. You come all the way from the horrible place, Australia. You're an Aussie.
He's my cousin, right?
I'm Amy. I'm not related to not Aussie.
I'm not from Australia, right?
Right then, tell me the first stage cleaning my Hoover. Come on, man. You should
I
know
said
this.
unplug it and take the vehicle out.
It still don't work. It doesn't need a wheel. It doesn't need a wheel. Mum. Oi, Lauren, tell me what to do.
Where's Lauren?
Stacey, Lauren.
It's not Stacey. It's not
I don't know.
Lauren.
Shall I take it apart? Shall I take it apart? I really don't know what to do. Shall I take it apart?
Are you happy now?
Take
Are
it
you
apart.
happy?
Take it
Are you
apart.
happy?
Take
Are
it
you happy?
apart.
Are you
Take it
happy?
apart.
Are you happy?
Shall I take it apart? It's attacking me. I'm going to look at it and everything and it's not working. Take it apart. Take it apart. Take it apart.
You dog.
I do that. Call me a dog. You're a fucking Australian Aussie. Now you tell me what's worse, Australian Aussie or a fucking dog. Tell me the third step was clean, taking my Hoover apart. So taking it apart.
Unplug it!
I've done that! Right, I'm taking it apart, and if it breaks, or I'm dead, I'm blaming you. You might be my cousin, but I'm still blaming you. I've done myself! Tell me what to do.
Put your hand under the tap. Yeah.
It's my slapping hand. If I can't do this, I won't be able to go around slapping people. Especially them prostitutes and them Aussies.
Are you happy now? Are you happy? Are you happy? You insulting my heritage, yeah? Are you happy now?
Hey, I'm supposed to be your cousin. Why are you insulting me? Tell me the first step of doing my Hoover. I'll do it in my other hand now. What am I going to do?
At least my mum's not a prostitute.
Hey, what are you talking about? You? That's your sister. Somehow. Auntie. Stop talking about my auntie like that. No, you give me 200.
I'm not your cousin.
Stop it.
Are you
I'm
happy
talking to
now?
Amy Parker here. Amy Parker. Amy Parker. I'm a Playboy fanatic. Come on, look at my ass. Right, you better tell me this fourth step, or are we on the fixing already? But you seem to be taking ages. It's costing me a bloody fortune, this.
The outline's free.
What do I do? Do I unplug the pipe? Do I cut it in half? I've got some scissors here, but my hand's a bit slack because now burnt it.
Have you got a dog?
You are a dog.
Oh. It's cute.
Says your face. What do you do every night? I can't do this. I didn't watch it. Hold on. Dad!
Yeah, that'll help. Yeah.
The garage. You think you're posh now? We don't have a garage. Honestly, we don't. Now you gotta tell me what to do, right? Do I take it apart?
No,
No, we'll have
the house.
But I just tell you, my dad owns the house. So much yours, your mum, your dad doesn't even exist. He's all the way from Canada, and you're from Australia.
I'm not from Australia, right?
Fucking Aussie. Aussie. You're supposed to be Australian. Australians are clever. They know what to do.
Australians are clever.
I'm being serious, guys. What do I do with my Hoover now? Do I wind it up?
No.
Do I? Start on. Should I bring you out to your house? Oh wait, no, I have a
Bring him out to my house then.
Right. Right, the first step, I'm putting it and winding it away. No, people help find a best family. I'm helpful. Oh no! No! It fell! What do I do? This is the final step. Do I put it back in or what? I thought there was 7.
No, 5.
Alright. Do I put it back in? Do I?
Yeah.
I'll pick it up and put it back in. Good idea. Oh, it's a handful of colour, Ozzy! Hey, look at that! My Hoover's working! Better than before. I'm sure you've updated it to 1600 turbo. It's working! I hate you, you Aussie, Osborne, Oz person, cousin of mine, mum, wife, probably same difference. What do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say for yourself? That's it, Miss Lauren Stacey Hilton Parker.